Hello, hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about birds. Do you like birds? Do you know birds? Tell me, which birds do you know? Yes, sparrow, crow. Okay. In this book, phonic 5 picture book, we learn some birds. Look at this picture. Which bird is this? Yes, peacock. Which bird? Peacock. Which bird? Which bird? Sparrow. Which bird? Sparrow. Which is this bird? Tell me, which is this bird? Crow. Which is this bird? Crow. Which is this bird? Yes, tell me. Yes, parrot. Which is this bird? Parrot. Very good. Which is this bird? Which is this bird? Pigeon. Which is this bird? Pigeon. And which is this bird? Which is this bird? Hen. Very good. Again, we look at the birds. Peacock. Say peacock. Sparrow. Crow. Parrot. Pigeon and hen. Understood? Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.